Storm damage roof restoration in Tampa. Storm damage doesn't always look like missing shingles or holes from flying debris. Most of the time, it's not that obvious. The real damage happens weeks later, when afternoon rain finds the weak spots that tropical winds created, and a small repair turns into a major expense. What really happens after storms in Tampa Bay? After hurricanes and summer storms roll through, we get on roofs and into attics from Carrollwood to Brandon, Terrace to Westchase. Here's what we consistently find: wind that loosened shingles without tearing them off completely, flashing that shifted just enough to break the seal, hail that bruised shingles and knocked loose protective granules. The problem? Because the roof may still shed water at first, damage doesn't show up right away, but once moisture finds that first vulnerable spot, it spreads. By the time you see a ceiling stain or water damage, you're dealing with saturated decking, compromised insulation, and bigger problems. This damage often builds up from multiple storms, making it harder to spot. Why timing matters for insurance claims. Florida homeowners have a window to file storm damage claims, but only if the damage is clearly storm-related. Wait too long, and insurance may call it normal wear and tear. That's why early documentation helps protect your investment. How our storm damage inspections work. We offer free inspections, typically within 72 hours of your call. We physically get on your roof and into your attic to check everything. You'll get a written estimate with photos showing exactly what we found. If you hire us for the restoration, we handle the insurance process, working directly with your adjuster, managing your claim, and restoring your roof with solutions that fit your home and your budget. Why Tampa homeowners trust us? 25 years protecting Tampa Bay families. GAF Master Elite Contractor, top 3% nationwide. Fully licensed and insured. 3-generation family business. If you've had any storm activity in the last year, call 813-542-8462 or visit affordableroofingflorida.com. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.